this video we will add some more elements to the building here. First of all, I already added some more windows here at level 0. So then what we are going to do next is add some columns. So it's architectural columns. So how to start? We go to architectural tab, select column, and then select column architectural, like that. Then here we have some more column can be selected here. So let me select this one, then do some editing, duplicate it, make it sufficient 300 by 300 millimeter, and then remove this. And then here we have to edit as well, 300 by 300 millimeter, and then press OK. So then we place at this intersection, and then here the material here by category, so then it will follow the where the building, I mean the material is attached to. So in this case it's attached to the wall, so then you can see here it is rock, and then the interior is the wall materials here, and then here as well. And then we do not we need to have some here, and then so the grid basically. So for this, in this case, you can see here is too close to the doors, so then we need to little bit do some editing here. So we don't want to have a column here, so then leave it like this. And then one more thing, so the height, before we place, we need to check this one, the option stated here. So then it is the height is level 1, so you can go to make it up to the level 2 as well. So then if you want to change, so release all the column model creation, then after that you select one of the column. After that right click, select all instances in entire project. So then you will select all the column that already placed, and then you change here top level to level 2. Okay, this offset 0, and then apply. The material maintain as follow the material in the type here by category, then apply. Okay, so then the column will be stretched to first floor, so like that. Only this one we don't have, so then we will set this up to level 1 as only like that. Then after that you can check in 3D, it will be like this. Okay, so then after we have this, so you can see here, so the column here we can still see here. So then we need to what do you call it, change the top offset, and then reduce it to the thickness of the floor, minus, let's say minus the floor minus 2000, apply. So it will attach to the soffit of the floor. So we haven't changed the type of the floor here, so let me edit the floor by editing here. So you can see here there is a metal deck here, so you can delete metal deck here, and then maintain structural 150. Supposed to be it's more than this one. C15. So then it's not so suitable for structural member actually. Let me see the physical. Mechanical properties is 25. Okay, it is okay. But it's supposed to be structural member in Malaysia. There is a requirement or regulation under Uniform Building by Law. All the structural member should has compressive stress of 30 minimum, and then for the foundation 40, or underground below surface structure, so must be 40 megapascal. Oh sorry, this is sorry, concrete, sorry, this is the mechanical young modulus is okay. So young modulus is if you refer to Eurocode, it is 210 instead of so then it is supposed to be like this, like that. So anyway, we don't need to change this one. Concrete is 15, so then we need to change to others. So then do editing here, duplicate material asset, so make it C30. Then we change the physical here to 50 MPa, and then maintain the young modulus as it is, and then density you can add to 2500. Okay, for the structural reinforced concrete. Then yield strength, tensile strength here. Normally for concrete is 1/10, so it's 3. Then it's 3 as well. Okay. Then appearance here, color, concrete, graphic here. So then you can have this one as well. And then okay, for this one you select, you use the concrete cast in place C30. Okay, and thickness 150 sufficient. So then we need to add some more element here. Insert here, we bring it up here. This is finish, and then this one substrate. Here we can select tiles, ceramic tile 25, ceramic tile here, tile. Okay, then we can use this one because we already have it. 50. Okay, and then substrate here we use the script plaster. This one is about pattern, using pattern of sand here. And okay, the thickness is 10, this one is 40, so the total depth is 200. Okay, so then we have to add this. Okay, you want to see the section, that you have the section, one of the section here. Okay, here you can see. And this one need to lower down to minus 200, but anyway we do it for the detail later on, but for this one it's not necessary have. Okay, then continue to back to the level 2 and level 1 here. So then we have all those column already here, so make it shaded. So then so if you want to add simple column here, so can a simple column here. Then back to the level 0, because we have to shift this one a little bit, so, 150 maybe. And here 150 from the other. Okay. Then column we have, then we add some more element here is the what you call it, floor outside here for the terrace. What type of wall here we set check filter, we switch off the grid on the wall, floor ground mine. Okay, then so floor, architectural floor, and then okay, we set one, and after that we set the boundary here using this one, then use the you can use from this point, it's outside, yeah, can okay, escape. After that we do some editing to this. So this one need to do some adjustment. Okay, done. Then we apply, and then we check what is the thickness. This one lowered by 3 meters, we make it 0. Apply. Okay. So let me see the cut segment here. The section, double click, escape. So let me bring it outside. Further here. So it will be like this. Then you can do some editing. Bring it here. Okay, this one join, modify, go to modify, join, so select here, select here, select here, select here. I got the answer why what you call it, this one you can see here. Let me change it to more denser, or 1/10. This layer, the lower layers is the earth, not a paved sand or soil. So then that's why the logic will give us the plaster, because it will protect from the infiltration of water. But if you change the lower here, edit type, and you change the edit here, instead of earth fill, you select by site. This we have site hardcore. This is also what you call it, but this one is a soil, that paved soil. So then it will be like this, and we change to that. You can see, wait a minute, modify this one, but still same. It's supposed to be this one. Anyway, let me check one more time here. Actually this one depend on the what call it, this one, the material is here. There is material that is not penetrable by the water. Set hardcore, or you can select from the other. So anyway, let me return it back to earth. Fit, or you can change to here. Fit. This one. Okay, anyway, then return back to level 1. So we have it, and then floor level 0. Here we have the terrace already. Then later we will have the windows here, door, glass doors. But before that, we add the roof. Go to level 2. Here, let me see what's how high the level 2 is here. Level 2 is here. So then we go to level 2 here. We cannot see the what you call it, the wall. Actually we have we can see make it appear, so by change to range base level, so you can set it to level 1, so then you can see the boundary of the wall. Okay, then after that we go to the roof architecture, roof, sorry, architecture, roof. We select roof by footprint. Okay, because under the roof here, like we cancel roof. There is a selection of roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, roof by face. Later we have the fascia and also gutter. Okay, then here we select roof by footprint. Okay, let me have it here. To set a plain roof, so then we what do you call it, we set the slope. I think we can just simply okay. So then we select this one, make the slope 0 here. Also here, wait a minute. Okay, I believe we can manage to have no slope here. Anyway, we cannot manage to that one. Oh, we can define untick this one. Yes. Okay, here. So let me see when we then material, basic roof or general roof generic. We select this one. Yeah, select okay. Let me see how it looks like in 3D. Like that. Or we can go for east. So then we will add some fascia, and then for this one we need to, for the this wall, then this element we can make it upper. Let me go to 3D model. Okay, here make it attached to top base of this one. Same goes to this one, attached to top base. This is the top base, so goes to this one, attached to top base. Okay, here select the wall and then attach to top base. Select the top base, the top here, attach to top base here, attach to top base. Okay, done. so then we can see that. Okay, so it will follow that one. So this wall element, so then we can select one, and then after that press Ctrl, we can see the plus symbol. Select this wall, select this column, select this column, and then you can set it to what do you call it, multiple, because it's multiple selection. So we select one by one. Yes. So maybe each element there, it has a different method to attach, so then we have to do it one by one. Or if it is the same element type, so then you can manage to have here. Let me select control and control here, and then attach. Yes, it can. So must be what you call it, the same element here. Attach. Like that. Okay. So we have this. Then what we need to have here, we need to add some more element here. Let's say we need to have we will add the same windows arrangement on the first floor to the second floor here, or the ground floor to the first floor. So let me go to the east, and after that select all the windows here, and after that okay, here we have some, or maybe go to west, because at the west we have a toilet. So we select all the windows here. Okay, then shift button to unselect, we unselect this one, and after that we go to same goes to the what we have done for the floor. Then we copy to the clipboard, and after that paste to the align to selected floor level, selected level. So then we have this. Okay, so on the other side we also have, like we see in the 3D model, we have. Okay, so then since on the first floor we have an opening here, so then we can copy this one. So select, and then after that copy here, you can select the corner here, and then bring to this one. Done. So we have opening as well here. Okay, so if you want to have more opening here, windows, you can we can add some windows as well. We have to copy this one as well. Okay, let me go to the soft. Sorry, not. Okay, here we copy this. Copy to clipboard, paste to line to level 1. Okay. So let me check here the seal. Yes, that one correct. Then we go to level 1. What about the doors here? Seal height is not correct. We need to change it to 0. So let me see how it should like. Under the top quick access here, we have a camera. Bring it that one. So then it's already, you see there, the doors are already in the correct position. Previously, if it is 500, previously it is 500, right? So it will be higher. Like that. So we need to change it to 0. Okay, done. So this is the way we can check. Okay, then let me return back to this level 2. It's the what do you call it, the roof from the level, the from the east. Let me see from the east. We have this one, and then let me add architecture, roof fascia, roof fascia. Okay, we continue to create the roof fascia. So we go to architecture and then select roof and then roof fascia. Then here we select the size. I mean this one, profile fascia flat, 1925 millimeter. So then the place of the fascia should be here. So let me see in the consistent color, so on this line. Done. Okay, but we want to make it angle profile, so -30, so it will be like this. And then so for sure we have to edit this one. So how to edit this one? We select this one and then change the metering. Select the metering perpendicular, so it will be perpendicular to the the roof slope. And then here we edit whether we can bring it here or we can bring the other side, like that, or maybe better we bring it like that, clear. Okay, then we have what we call it, the fascia. So then realistic view it will be like this. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.